All right, welcome back to Shotgunning with Aaron. We're here for another exciting episode, episode 16. I'm not quite sure what that is, but apparently it's part of the show.
Gordy's fucking antique.
Do you have you 2 beers?
Balls packed.
Are you ready? Here's the
Look at the way
thing.
the balls knock on each other's balls.
Here's the thing. We're doing 2 beers for this episode.
Shotgunning with Aaron and
We're
Kelsey.
shotgunning 2 beers for this episode. Hey, Peter Lang. Pete Lang.
Yo, Fat Boy.
Grab another one. We're doing 2.
Hold on.
Grab another one. We're doing 2.
Hold on. Fat Boy wants to chill.
You're killing the episode. It doesn't.
No. They're gonna
It doesn't matter. We can
understand.
wait 10 minutes till the episode's
Oh
done.
no, it'll take him 10 minutes to get here. Shut up.
You're off the show.
We're back.
You're off the show.
We're back with our beers.
You're off the show.
Shut up, Aaron. Fat Boy is important.
All right. On the count of 5,
Alright.
4, 3, 2,
Shit, my nails.
1.
No, I can't. My fucking nails, dude.
Right?
Alright, don't have fucking nails if you're gonna do this.
How do you drink a beer that fast?
I can.
Okay.
Fucking
I'm off the
A.
show. All right, the next one. Let's go.
Alright.
Beer number 2.
Yeah, we can't leave the
Beer
viewers
number
hanging.
2. We can't let them sit.
Can you guys wait till I crack mine open to do the countdown? Because my nails make it so I can't.
Do you want to be on the show or not?
I want you to understand that it's really hard to crack the look.
You need to leave. You're off the
My
show.
nail will break.
Pete, kick her out.
Give me the key.
I'm just telling you guys, like, it's hard to do 2 in a row.
You're off the show. Get
I
out.
can do 2 in a row.
Pete, it's me and you.
Think this is a fucking game?
Oh,
I mean, I know I can.
them's fighting
I know
words
I
right
can,
there.
dude. I am ready.
I'm just saying, like, are you guys
Did any one of us finish the first beer?
I did.
I did.
Mine's right there.
I
Empty.
killed mine.
Oh, so
Right.
both of you finished it?
Yeah.
Well, so all 3 of us definitely finished that first beer.
And
They
you-
did, and I swear to God that I did as well. All right, on the count
I'm
of...
gonna start now because my nails it takes like a. You don't get it. You don't have nails.
I know, you can have a head
Cinco.
start, I don't care.
Okay, alright.
Quattro.
You will win either way.
3,
Ready, guys? Woo!
2,
2 beers.
1.
1 stoned.
Nope.
Aaron spilled so much.
Nope. 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 I'm off the show.
I could probably do it there.
Dude, mine never opened. Oh my god. It wouldn't open because of my nails, so I had to drink the whole thing.
Yeah, you
I
still,
just chugged it.
you did good though with that.
I
How do you even open?
fucking. Oh
Aaron
my
didn't even
God.
drink it with it open.
That wasn't it, dude. Look at that. I just failed, but still did it.
Well, thanks for joining us for another stupid
Woo!
episode of this dumbass show.
Yo, next time we're gonna do 3.